What's up everybody, how you're doing today? Zen here, coming to you with another video. So last week we had a nice funny video. If you haven't seen that one, make sure you check it out by clicking here. And this week we have to do a tutorial. I didn't know what kind of tutorial I should do this week, so I reached out to my friend in Israel and he suggested a big dent on a rail, how to glue pull it. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna hit two big dents in the rail and see how we can fix it. For starters, I will use the cold glue, the Glexo cold glue, with a bigger round tab. This is the normal set, it's not the Hail set, and it's my TD Tabs slide hammer. This is a double speed time recording, so it doesn't take too long. Now I'm moving to my smaller tab and the less Glexo on it. I usually use this for hail damage because the dents got much smaller. Need to clean off all the Glexo residue that is left using an alcohol. So this is what we have right after just using a Glexo cold glue. No hot glue, no tapping down, no knocking down. And now we are moving to a tapping down blending session. I'm using my ratchet hatchet hammer with Edgy Tools knocker. I have pasties on the knocker so it doesn't make too much of a damage because the rail is quite soft. On the other side of my hammer I use the Dead on Dent Tools firing pin. I use the same tip on my knockdown as well. this is how it looks after just blending, tapping down, and of course Glaxo cold glue before it. Now we will move on and use also hot glue, blending technique, and tapping down technique. This is all in 3 times the speed now. I'm using Kiko Dead Center crease tabs and the Kiwi slide hammer. Later I will also use the gangrene tabs. So this is the final product. I really hope you enjoyed this week's video, and make sure you click that like button, click the subscribe button and the bell notification next to it. And if you have something you would like to see, please put it down below in the comment section, and I will see you on the next one.